Okay, so I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest way to graph these. Now, we're going to be headed toward doing transformations with these logarithmic functions, and we've done transformations before, but we're going to show you how they look with logarithmic functions. But sometimes the directions are going to reference what's called a parent function. So remember, every time the base changes, we've been using a lot of base 2, but this time we have a base 5, that's going to have a different shape to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph this parent function, and then I'm going to show you how to do that. And then in future examples, they're going to say, graph this function alongside the parent function. So we have to learn how to find that shape. I think the easiest way to do that is to say y equals log base 5 of x. Then change it to exponential notation. So 5 to the power of y equals x. So remember, you're starting with a base, you pick up exponent, and it equals the argument. Then make a table of values. Now, we're not going to do a lot of points, but we're going to choose y values. So I'm going to put in -1, 0, and 1. I'm not even going to put in 2, because if I put in 2 for y, what am I going to get for x? 25. That's a pretty large number. So I'm just going to put in these. Remember that I'm putting them in for y. Okay, so and then I calculate x. So 5 to the power of -1, that's 1/5. 5 to the 0 power, that's 1. Remember, that's what are going to be our x-intercept right there. And then 5 to the first power is going to be 5. And so this right here is going to be your x-intercept. And this is going to be a key point. I'll just abbreviate PT for point. Okay, so what does this graph look like? Where is 1/5 -1? Well, it's really close to the y-axis. It's like there. 1, 0. And then you're going to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. And so our shape is going to be something like this. We still have a vertical asymptote right there. So it asks us to state the domain, the range, and the asymptote. Domain is going to be from 0 to infinity. The range is going to be all real numbers. And the asymptote is going to be a vertical asymptote, x equals 0. Now, as we do transformations, the domain, range, and asymptote might change. So we'll see more of that. But that's how you would graph one without any transformations. That's just your basic base 5 logarithmic function. Okay, that's the graph of it.